Right, diagram shows y equals x squared plus 5, 6. So you just should make sure you read the question. Part I, find by differentiation, so y equals x squared plus 5, so dy by dx equals 2x. So differentiate it. The gradient of the curve at the point A. So gradient at A, x is 1. So when x equals 1, gradient equals 2. And that's the first part done. Second part, the line segment joins A and B. Okay, from there to there, the gradient is 2.3. And how far up has it gone? That's a squared plus 5, take away 6. It's a y bit, and it's gone from, the distance across here is a minus 1. And so the gradient equals change in y over change in x, which equals a squared plus 5 minus 6, which equals a squared minus 1, over a minus 1. Now actually, and that says it equals, it says the question says it equals 2.3, so I've got a squared minus 1 over a minus 1. I'm setting that equal to be 2.3. Now you could realize you've got a difference of two squares here, and then divide it, but you might sometimes lose in a solution. So I'm going to multiply both sides by the a minus 1. So 2.3 times by a minus 1. Multiply that out, so that'll be a squared minus 1 equals 2.3 a minus 2.3. And then you've got quadratic, so put it all equal to 0. So a squared minus 2.3 a plus 1.3 equals 0. Let's bring this up to here. Hoping that's going to factorize. A to get 1.3, it's going to be 1 and 1.3, isn't it? 1, 1.3. It's plus 1.3, but it's minus 2.3a, so that'll be minus and minus, that equals 0. So either a equals 1.3 or a equals 1. And that's a solution I could have missed if I had just done the difference between two squares. And it says here that a is a constant greater than 1, therefore a equals 1.3. I'll put down in brackets a is greater than 1. Okay, so that's, I found the value of a. Part 3, state a possible value for the gradient of the line segment joining points A to C. Well, the gradient at A, m equals 2 there, and that will be m equals 2.3 between these two, and so the gradient from A to C has got to be somewhere between 2 and 3, so it could be, for example, 2.1, but actually we're going to find that 2 has got to be less than the gradient, which has got to be less than 2.3. You just need to put down one value between there. Of course, what you could have done, going back to here, we could have said that is a minus 1 times by a plus 1 all over a minus 1, and that equals 2.3. And you could have said that a cannot equal 1, therefore a minus 1 cannot equal 0, and therefore we can cancel out that to that. We get a plus 1 equals 2.3, so a equals 1.3. So we could have gone in quicker that way, but either way, that's question 6 done.